Are you planning to make changes to your property and are wondering what documents you will need to prepare for building permits? Then you may want to consider using the California Public Records Act to request access to public records related to building permits for similar projects in your area. By requesting access to similar projects in your area, such as remodels, additions, new dwellings, and similar types of work, you can gain valuable insight into what was required for those projects and what you will need to provide for your own. Some examples of documents you may be able to, at the very least, access and view through the public records laws include building plans, permit applications, soils reports, structural calculations, energy calculations, building inspection notes, and other similar documents. Accessing permit documents for similar projects in your area can be particularly useful if you are not familiar with the building permit submittal process or if you are unsure of what documents are required. Attaining this information can be so powerful as it can help you understand any potential challenges or issues you may face during the process for your permit submittal, and it will give you insight on how to address those challenges. However, it is important to follow the correct procedures for requesting and accessing public records, and to respect any limitations or restrictions on the type of information that can be disclosed. So I hope this information empowers you to submit a successful permit application and make the changes you envision to your property. Thank you for watching. See you on the next tip of the day. And stay tuned for more building inspection content.